Hello guys, here I have navigation system Asus R300. It's a pretty cool device. It's kind of old but still works fine and have some few features what usually cost more. It's a Bluetooth and FM transmitter. But what's the problem with this device? It has outdated map. His navigation program application it's called Asus Go, and the latest map what I found it dated from 2008. Sitting in 2016 is kind of not really good to use that map. So as you can see, it has Bluetooth and FM transmitter here. And I will show you how you can use any other application for navigation with this device. It's running on Windows CE edition, Windows Compact edition, and it means what unlocking this device, upon that you can run any stuff what you want. Currently it's limited to those functionalities what you see on the screen, and when you press navigation it says operation failed, insert SD card or whatever. I already unlocked it, but I will show you how to do the same. So you will need an SD card to prepare, copy some software on it. And I will show you what exactly you need to put on that. Here, that folder I found on the internet, the package called here on the top, Asus Pocket MPR94. I didn't manage to find the package what will be not broken. So every time you will try to unzip that archive, it will give you an error. But it has those errors in some insignificant places, so what I did, I copied the entire folder here on the right. It's my SD card. So putting it in my device, I will unlock it. So now you will see it, what you should see on the screen. I just put SD card in the device, and the best way to restart it for me is faster. Remove the battery and put it back. Now you see it will try to unlock the device. Okay. Basically, that Asus Pocket MPR94 is the custom shell. As you can see, it's showing Windows, all the stuff on back. And normally it should run the shell. As you can see, this is the shell. It's running well without errors. And if you like that shell, I will put the link in download in the description. And I prefer the shell what comes by default from Asus, because I want simple interface just for navigation, but if you need some extra options, they all here: media player, calculator, WordPad, electronic reader, all that stuff, all is here. They don't have all applications for navigation because it's kind of... Here you can see a lot of applications. They kind of prepared so you can download any of them and put here on that device, and they kind of, and you can launch it from this shell. So here you see TomTom, Navigator, it's a Navigon actually, Garmin, and a lot of other stuff, Mio Map. I already got Navigon, and in the next section you will see how we can install it on this device. Here on the right you see the Navigon application. This is and I will show you how you can put it here. On the left I have folder Navigon 5100. You see here everything what you need to copy on USB card. Okay, I don't include map. In my other video you can see how to get map for this device. But I will show you where you should put, because when you will get that archive, the map folder will be missing. You should have nothing here, and POI is also empty. Okay, and I will show you, if you will follow my other video about Navigon, I explain where you can get map easily, and it's free, and the map will be a recent one. So here I have Canada, all maps, and this thing. So basically what I did, I will show you. So I copied everything what I showed you before. Here we go in Navigon. You have two folders here, map, it's on SD card now. You see all Canada here, even USA. I put USA and Canada, but to fit on 2 GB SD card I removed some states from USA. So basically it's all Canada and East USA. So let's look on the right. This is what I took that thing I took from the Android device, and it's like you will see another video. So you copy all the stuff in map folder on the right, on the left, on SD card. Plus you add desired map location here. This is the Canada. Oh, I have here USA and Mexico. So you add desired states and provinces here, countries, wherever. Plus you can see folder POI, and those things I took also from Android device. It's a copy of actual folder from Android device. See? So basically what you do, you take my folder what I showed you before, just to recap. So you will have such folder, you take everything and copy to SD card. It's the first step. Once on SD card, you go in Navigon folder, you have map folder and POI folder. So following my video, you will get those stuff. On the right is a copy of my Android device. So you copy all map files. It's extra files, additional files. You copy to map folder here on SD card. Next you take all POI and you copy to POI folder here, plus To map folder, you copy any desired location. As you can see, it has an extension map. So you take, let's say, Nova Scotia, New Brunswick, or you take from USA, or Mexico, Florida, wherever. You can see it's the same. Alabama, So at the end, you will have SD card like that. Map is here, as you can see, and there are some extra files like that one, plus you should have play. Okay, now I will put that Navigon folder. I will remove SD card from my laptop and put it. Okay, I put inside SD card, and the fastest way to it has a reset button, in fact, but you need to use pin or something to insert it. So okay, so first of all, when I installed that Navigon, it didn't have any sound. So to adjust the sound, you should go to settings here and look and check. As you can see, it's set by default, it's set to 0, so you will not hear anything. For me, it was a problem until I figure out what's wrong, because okay, now, and that volume is we call like master volume. You put it here on the highest, so upon that you can in the application you can change it. When you press here first time, you will not have here Navigon, so you should choose change path, press it once, wait a little, there's the button, okay, and it will, you press here, now it will give you path, so you choose Navigon and you go and choose Navigon XZ here and you do OK. As you can see, I did that once and I got that line. Now I did to show you, and now we have a second line. So press OK. It will stay here forever. It means what if you will have on your SD card another application, so you can add it on this list. Let's say you have TomTom and you have Garmin application. But for me, I believe Navigon has the easiest way to get those maps for free. So what we have here, map. As you can see, it has map, and everything with black borders means you have the map for that place. You can see it's all Canada here and east of USA. This is the what I have space for that thing. I didn't have space on my 2 GB card to put something else. So what we can do, options. Let's say I wanted to show you how it talks. So you do show map, you do speaker here,
quieter, louder, quieter.
okay, this is it. So also we can go to settings, general, when we have here languages, a lot of different languages. I removed some of them to save some space, and you can see Francais, Spanish, Portuguese, English. So I left English here, but we can choose French. It will talk French also. Here you have you can choose some languages also to talk. That one talks much better than other. So basically that's it. And to navigate somewhere, we can do that thing. New destination, let's say Alabama, let's say, and go, I don't know, Let's choose anything. Yeah, that's it. Now it will take a little time to you see,
You have arrived at your designated road.
because I chose demo. This is it. So